to use Chatterpix. Go to your Google slide, Making Art Talk. Navigate to the slide with the pictures and zoom in. Take a screenshot. Click on the screenshot and crop in your edges so all you have is the picture that you chose. This will save it to your camera roll. Now navigate to Chatterpix. Open the app.
Welcome to Chatterpix.
Click Gallery. Pick the camera at the bottom. Choose your image from the camera roll. Position your image in the frame. Click Next. Draw a smile across the face. Record your story on the picture. Preview your story by pressing the green play button. Press Next. Picture where a girl is swinging. Click the circle in the bottom right-hand corner. It will export to your camera roll. Upload to Canvas.